This is a quick research tutorial. On Thursday, the House passed S.139. Now, I tweeted the House passes H.R. 4478. Seems to be a discrepancy there, but it's not. I'll show you how I got there. S.139, Rapid DNA Act of 2017. Okay, scroll down. Actions. You want all actions. This gives you the complete history. Okay, you can see in January 2017, the Rapid DNA Act was introduced. Okay, you go up to May 16th, it passes the Senate, where it's sent to the House and held at the desk. Okay, here's the key. January 9th, 2018. An amendment in the nature of a substitute consisting of the Rules Committee print 115-53 shall be considered as adopted. At this point, this is where the Nunes Amendment takes over the Rapid DNA Act. Now, how do I know that? Rules Committee print 115-53. Go to the House website. Bills to be considered. Scroll down. S.139. Here it is. Rules Committee print 1153. PDF right here. PDF. Rules Committee print 1153 based on the text of H.R. 4478. Now, for further confirmation, now that it's passed the House, we go to the Senate. We look at active legislation. Okay, scroll down. You want program authorizations, FISA, S.139, H.R. 4478. Okay, you go back. Okay, you want calendars and schedule. Okay, Tuesday, January 16th. Convene and resume consideration of the House message to accompany S.139, vehicle for the FISA Amendments Reauthorization Bill. This is the bill that we're going to track and we're going to discuss.